guys, I got a surprise. Oh my God, Funko Pop sent me a care package and I had to share it with you guys. I'm so thankful for all you guys' support with me having my high school student steal my Hello Kitty Funko Pop that I was gifted. Oh my gosh. And I appreciate everyone for tagging Funko Pop. I did not ask for all of that, but you guys did it and I appreciate it. And I appreciate them for reaching out and sending me a care package. I'm super excited. I have not opened it yet, obviously, as you can see. So let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Look how big the box is. So again, thank you so much. What is it? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Stop it, you guys. Are we serious right now? Look at it. It's so cute. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love it so much. I could literally wear it with my outfit right now. Thank you so much. I love this and I'm going to be carrying it around. Thank you so much. There's another box in here. This situation has really changed how, I view how other people view how you should go about being a teacher, right? Like, I didn't know it was a crime to bring things that you care about to your classroom. But, I'm still going to enjoy my job. There's going to be hard days, but stop it. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this. My mind is blown. Oh my God, you guys, this is so cute. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. Like, thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone that has been so supportive, so caring about this situation. I'm just very shocked. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Look at this. I'm so excited. Shut up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. No. Hello Kitty Christmas. I didn't even know that this existed. My mind is blown. You guys, look at this. I saved the best for last. This is iconic, you guys. Wait till I show you. Oh my gosh. And they can't take it out. Literally, this is the best thing ever. Like, I am so thankful. This is amazing. Thank you so very much. I got the original one back and it's in a box so they can't take it. I'm overjoyed right now. Thank you guys all so much again. This is beyond amazing. I'm so thankful, so appreciative, and I'm literally so happy. So thank you again so much, Funko Pop, Funko. I am so thankful that you guys sent me this care package. It has really made my entire day and has made that experience a lot better, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys.